In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid Mailchimp going to spam. If your campaigns keep slipping into spam, one of the most reliable fixes is to ensure only genuinely interested people join your list. We'll do that by turning on double opt-in for your audience. Double opt-in requires new subscribers to confirm their email address before they're added, which filters out typos, bots, and uninterested signups, exactly the kinds of signals that can hurt deliverability. First, open Mailchimp and head to the home dashboard. From there, look at the main navigation and click Audience. This brings you to your contacts area where the list quality settings live. Inside Audience, open the three-dot menu. You'll find this More Options icon toward the top right of the audience view. It reveals additional controls that aren't displayed by default. Choose Audience Settings from that menu to jump into the configuration page for this specific audience. On the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you reach Form Settings, noted as audience-wide defaults. This section controls how people get added to your audience and what happens during sign-up. Locate Email Opt-in Settings within that area and click Edit. This is where you choose whether a single click adds someone to your list or whether they must confirm first. Select Double Opt-in. With this enabled, every new subscriber gets a short confirmation email. Only those who click confirm are added to your audience. The result is a cleaner, more engaged list with fewer bounces and spam complaints. Two major factors inbox providers consider when deciding whether to place your email in the inbox or the spam folder. When you've made your selection, click Save Opt-in Setting. Be sure to save. Nothing changes until you do. After saving, all new signups for this audience will follow a confirm then join flow automatically. Existing subscribers remain as they are. This only affects future signups. A few quick notes to help you succeed with this setting. You may see a slightly smaller number of new subscribers, but those who complete confirmation are far more likely to open and click, which lifts your overall sender reputation. The confirmation process also creates a clear permission trail, which supports compliance requirements across many regions. If you manage multiple audiences, remember this setting applies per audience, so repeat these steps anywhere you send from. That's it. By enabling double opt-in at the audience level, you've taken a meaningful step toward keeping your Mailchimp emails out of spam and in front of the people who truly want to hear from you.